Hello there. In this video, we'll be looking at drawing shapes and then manipulating shapes. So how to combine shapes together to get other shapes, how to cut out shapes, and a few other tricks. So let's dive right in. We have four shapes here. We have a polygon, that's a pentagon, right? Five-sided figure. We have an ellipse or a circle. We have a star. We also have a rectangle. If you want to know how all these are drawn, it's from this particular option, okay, the rectangle tool. When you right click on it, you see all these options. I have a video that shows how each and every one of them is used, so feel free to check that out. With our four shapes, okay, what I'd like you to do is put one on one of each of them. So like put one on the other. So you have two different ones like this. Okay. The tool we are going to be looking at is called the Shape Builder tool. And before we go there, I want you to drag over this two and then come here. There's it. Two circles and an arrow. So select on it. And you can see that as you hover over it, you see three distinct shapes out of the two shapes. Now these three shapes are formed by every intersection that is being made. What the shape builder allows you to do is that you can just click in one of them, drag through, and it becomes a single shape. So you go back to the move tool, you realize that it's now one shape that you can move. Alright, so just to recap, you can, using the shape builder tool, first you select over, then using the shape builder tool, you can drag through, it becomes one shape. Okay, now with the same shape builder tool, okay, you can actually take things out of the whole shape. So assuming we have this, we want to take the middle part out. We click on the shape builder tool and you see the little plus sign at the down right corner. Click and hold on Alt, or press and hold on Alt, and you realize that it changes to a minus. Now when you click on it and it takes it out of it. So now we are left with the circle on top and then this. So you realize that it has taken that part out and it has gotten broken. So that's the difference between when you use a shape builder like that and when you use it with the Alt like being pressed. So with the Alt being pressed, the same, sorry, with the shape builder too, with the Alt being pressed, you can actually take anything out. You're just left with the middle part. All right. One last thing we can do is with the shape builder tool is we can use it to color. Okay. So I'm going to combine all the four I have so that the overlaps are more. So realize we have a lot more overlaps in between them. Now clicking on the shape builder tool, we go to properties and then we change the color. So let's change it to the next one. And here, any one that you select, okay, it will change to that color. Let's try a different color. Orange. It has changed. So this is really useful when you have to color a huge artwork. For those of you who draw comics, this will be really handy. You can select and color all the things that need to be green, and you come back color all the things that need to be red. So simply. Okay, one last one. Okay, so that's another use of the shape builder too. Select everything and then all the intersections get divided up. You come and change the colors, then you click in between them. The reason why you need to understand shapes or the shape builder too is because almost, let me just say, every drawing is made up of shapes and lines. So once you're able to understand how to manipulate shapes, understand how to use lines, it will be very easy to replicate any real life object and vectorize it, or replicate any real life object and make it and bring it into Illustrator as an artwork. So have some time practicing on the shape builder too, and I'll see you in the next video.